WhatsApp messages not sending but internet is working fix. Now, if your internet is working just fine, but your messages are not being sent on WhatsApp, this is a fairly common issue that you might be facing. The first thing you can try to do is toggle on airplane mode. So just turn on airplane mode, turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data completely and just leave it for at least 10 seconds, then turn it off and enable your internet connection again. If this works, that's perfectly fine. If not, the next thing you can try to do is to restart your device. So go ahead and then try to restart your device and see if that helps you. Then if you're using VPN, proxy or any sort of custom DNS settings like this, make sure that you also disable any of those settings. If you're using the app on Android, long press the WhatsApp app icon, tap on this I button that says app info. Then from here go to storage and clear the cache files. Don't clear data because that will delete your chat history as well if you've not backed it up. If you're using iPhone, just offload the app. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store, then simply search for WhatsApp and check if it has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.